Are you a citizen of a country that can visit Korea without a visa? From now on, you must apply online for travel authorization, KETA. ETA portal makes KETA simple and fast. To visit Korea, KETA is mandatory. Don't forget to apply for KETA. KETA is a pre-entry system where you submit travel information online and obtain approval before entering Korea. Now, let's see how to apply through ETA portal. First, select your departure country on ETA portal and click Easy Application. Agree to the terms to continue. Fill in your passport details and personal information. Upload your passport photo and a recent face photo. Finally, pay the application fee to complete your submission. If there are no particular issues, you will usually receive the result within 24 hours, but it may take up to 72 hours. Make sure to apply for KETA in advance to align with your travel schedule. The application result will be sent to your email. Once approved, KETA is valid for up to 3 years with unlimited visits. With KETA, you can skip the arrival card and enjoy faster immigration. ETA portal supports 11 languages, easy steps, and quick results. Start your safe and smooth trip to Korea with KETA. Apply for KETA right now through ETA portal. Welcome to Safe Korea with KETA.